I'm trying to remember. Yeah, we did that together.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you find it?
You gave a statement on the 16th of June, the date of your arrest, even though you were concerned that you were wasting your time, okay? But you were saying my purpose was to show Dennis, Jim, or Jody to get a deal with the state.
Okay.
Okay? That part was fine.
All right.
Jim asked in the transcript about seeing Johnny in 2002.
Hold on, Steph.
Yes.
Can I grab a pen and then you can just tell me the pages where...
Yeah, give me a second. Hold on.
I'm going to grab a pen. Hold on.
This is an inmate telephone call from Dade County Corrections and Rehabilitation.
Hello?
Okay. There were some things about, remember that statement? Where...
And what page are we on?
Okay. The other part, did the detectives tell you that you made a mistake? All right? And they kept asking, was your memory better then than now? Do you remember that transcript of that statement where they were like prying crap out of you when you first got arrested, back in June of 05?
Yeah.
Okay.
June 05, yeah.
They tell you that you made a mistake. You said no. The things were, I wasn't comfortable with the detectives at the time. You need to explain that, and I'm going to try to get that out, okay?
Yes, please.
And when you said I wasn't comfortable, I may not say things, all right? You said, I first heard about Worm from Bird when I got out of prison. And then you said, no, that's not accurate. I knew about it before I went to prison. I knew about the murder before I went to Coleman, but I told the police it was after.
Yeah.
I made a mistake, but I didn't correct the mistake.
Yeah.
Okay? Why did you make a mistake and never tell me about it?
I don't know.
Okay, that's a biggie.
That's a biggie.
All right? Did the detectives tell you that they made a mistake? They probably did. All right?
Yeah, right. And when they first picked me up, Steph, I was nervous and I wasn't quite too sure.
Okay, you and I are going to get into that. And it was like prying teeth. They were like trying to pull teeth. But I mean, you were holding shit back because you knew that you had more.
Wait, you mean the last?
No, in June of 05.
Exactly.
June of 05 when you got arrested.
Yeah. I was just holding shit back because I wasn't comfortable yet, like I am today with you guys,
Okay. They keep going into, were you giving and getting info to get a deal?
Yeah.
Moving towards getting a deal, okay? You were just off, and I knew that. The 2 letters, did you give them to Dennis, or did you keep one of them, or did you dump one of them?
2 letters. I know all the letters I got. I gave them all the
Okay, didn't you dump one of them?
Did I?
Like from Johnny or something?
Shit. From Johnny? I think I did. I don't remember.
But you know now not to do that anymore.
No, I know that.
Okay. You did better after you got back in the bathroom.
I did a lot better.
Okay. You felt better.
I felt a lot better, but did I do it a lot better?
Okay. Yeah, you did better. Yeah, you were back to yourself. It was the whole morning was just like awful.
Awful.
Okay. Not that. I mean, it's not a performance. It's just.
No, I know
you weren't
it's not.
thinking about the questions. I mean, when you totally forgot. What I'm talking about is when you totally forgot that we had pulled you out and given you the transcript of your plea, of your depot.
Yeah.
That was like huge. I mean, I knew at that point something was really wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. At the very end, they said that the detectives pressured you to say more. What they're going to say is that you said more and you lied in order to make them happy. This is where they're going to go.
Wow, that's not true at all.
Okay. At some point, you need to be prepared to explain it.
Okay, listen, can I be the one to bring that to their attention?
Why don't you let me do it at the end?
Oh, okay.
Okay? Now, I think it's going to be tomorrow. It's going to be tomorrow morning. Dennis is going to come get you along with another detective.
Oh, man, what happened to Jimmy?
Jimmy can't.
Oh.
He's got something going on. But don't worry, the other detective's a nice guy, so it's going to be Dennis and another guy. And they're going to come pick you up, and they're going to take you over here. I don't know how long it's going to go. It's going to go a few hours.
Okay.
Okay? It's going to be in the morning. The attorney who's been doing 90% of the questioning, he's done. So I don't know which lawyer is...
Talk about Jack, the ballhead guy.
The ballhead guy, Jack, exactly. Okay? I don't know which attorney is going to go next.
Yeah.
Okay? One of the groups of attorneys cannot be there tomorrow. So I know that we're not going to be done. I think Benson's lawyers are going to start tomorrow.
All right.
With you.
All right.
And then after Benson's lawyers is probably